Welcome to problem number 6 from the June 2017 Algebra Regents exam. In this question, we're trying to find out which expression is equivalent to 16x to the power 4 minus 64. Now, hopefully when you see this is, you can tell right away that this is an example of difference of squares. Now, a quick refresher, difference of squares is when you're subtracting two terms that you can find the square root of each of them. So the simplest example is a squared minus b squared, and if you factor that using this property, it would become a minus b times a plus b. And that's because you take the square root of the first term to get the first two terms in each set of brackets, and then if you square root the second term, that gets you the last term in each set of brackets. So moving back to this question, we've got 16x to the power 4 minus 64. So if we were to factor this, I'll start with creating my sets of brackets. The square root of 16x to the power 4 is going to be 4x squared. And that's because obviously 4 squared is 16, and x squared times x squared would get you x to the power 4. So that's going to be the first term in both sets of brackets here. And then now if we square root 64, obviously that's just simply 8. And in one of these we'll be adding, the other will be subtracting. And so in our final answer, we can see that that matches option number 3. So that's it for this question. Hope that helps, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.